To make temporary color adjustments to the image, click the Show Hide Color Correction window button on the toolbar. In the window that opens, use the sliders to adjust the desired levels of gamma correction, brightness, contrast, and color balance. These adjustments are temporary and will remain active until the session ends. However, the image can be restored to its original state at any time by clicking the Reset button. To save the current adjustment as a preset, click the Save Preset button, assign a unique name to the preset in the provided entry field, and press the Enter key to confirm or the Escape key to cancel the operation. Once a preset is saved, it can be applied to other images by clicking on it. To automatically apply a color preset, check the box in the Defaults column. Once enabled, the selected preset will be applied to all digital pathology images opened by the user, regardless of the case. A warning message will notify the user when a preset has been automatically applied. To disable the automatic application of a preset, simply uncheck the default box. If a preset is applied, the image can be restored to its original state at any time by clicking the Reset button. To delete a preset, click the Delete icon in the row of the preset. In the pop-up that appears, click the Delete button to confirm.